Good morning to all. This is exercise 3.1, first one. In the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. Angle AOC and BOE equal to 70 degrees. And angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. Angle BOD equal to 40 degrees. So now we need to find angle BOE and angle COE. This is the question. Now we will start answer. Say angle AOB is a linear pair of angles. Angle AOB. On line AB angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180 degrees. See here, this is from AOB. Angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE equal to 180 degrees. From here to here, AOB is a 180 degrees. This is linear pair of angles. But in question, what they are given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. And angle COE, we don't know, we can write like this only, equal to 180. Angle COE equal to 180 minus plus 70, that side going means minus 70. Therefore, angle COE equal to 110 degrees. Next. Reflex angle COE equal to, reflex angle means 360 minus 110 degrees. But in question, angle COE equal to reflex they are given. That's why should do subtraction 360 minus 110, 250 degrees. Next, another angle also is there, BOE. Now we will take CD line. See, AB line is completed, children. Now CD line we will take from angle COD equal to 180 degrees. From COD equal to 180 degrees. This is straight line. So angle COE equal to, we know just now we got this answer, 110 degrees. Okay. Now the sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. Which three angles? That one, COE plus EOB plus BOD equal to 180 degrees. This is linear pair of angles. COE, how much we got? 110 degrees. 110 degrees plus BOE 70 degrees. BOE we don't know, that only we need to find out. We have to write like this, angle BOE plus angle BOD 40 degrees. BOD 40 degrees equal to 180 degrees. 110 plus 40, 150. 110 plus 40, 150. Angle BOE equal to plus 150, that side going means minus 150. Angle BOE equal to 180 minus 150. Plus 150, that side going means minus 150. Therefore, angle BOE equal to 30 degrees. Okay, children. This is the first one answer. Now we'll move to second one. Let's continue the exercise. Question number 2. In the given figure, lines x, y and m, n intersect at O. Angle POY equal to 90 degrees and A is to B equal to 2:3. Find C. Okay, first of all, whatever they are given question, read 2 or 3 times. We will get answer. Otherwise, we'll do mistake. So, common ratio A and B, that is 2:3 they are given. Another ratio we don't know, that you have to take X, that is C ratio. And angle BOY equal to 90 degrees they are given. Angle POY equal to 90 degrees they are given. Yes, we'll start now. A is 2x, B is 3x. On line XY. B plus A, angle POY equal to 180 degrees. See the XY line, children. XY line we see and write the linear pair of angles. What are their linear pair of angles means? That is XOM, MOP, POY. So we know XOM, B value, MOP, A, POY 90 degrees. So 3x plus 2x plus 90 equal to 180. 3x plus 2x plus angle POY 90 degrees they are given. 90 equal to 180. 3 plus 2, 5x equal to, 5x plus 90 equal to, plus 90 that side going means minus 90. So 180 minus 90. X equal to 180 minus 90, 90. Therefore, x equal to 5 is multiplication doing. That side going means division. 90 by 5. Do the cancel. 5 1 is 5. 5 8 is 40. Therefore, x value is 18 degrees. 5 1 is 5. 4 is there. 40. 5 8 is 40. X value is 18 degrees. Now we got x value, then we have to find out the A angle. So A equal to 2x equal to 2 into 18. 2 18 is 36 degrees. P equal to 3x. 3 into 18 54 degrees. Okay. C value we know, that is 18 degrees. 54 30. Now we'll see the M line, MN line. A, XY finish. Now we'll see the MN line. A value we know, B value we know. So the sum of two angles, here the sum of two angles only is there. B plus C equal to 180. 54 B value plus C equal to 180. C equal to 180 plus 54, that side going means minus 54. C equal to, do the subtraction now, 10 minus 126 degrees. This is the C value.